Hi everyone, my name is J. Ryan P. Polinar, BSN Block E. And now, I will be performing the fetal heart monitoring using stethoscope. And first is I will do the hand hygiene. Next is I will identify the patient and introduce yourself. Hi ma'am, my name is J. Ryan P. Polinar. I'm your student's nurse for today. And what is your name, ma'am? So next is I will check the heart rate, rhythm, and the absence and presence of acceleration and decelerations. Next, I will expose the area that I will be assessed.
Yeah.
And now, I will be performing the Leopold's maneuver. Next, I will place the diaphragm of the stethoscope to the fetal back located. And count on beat in a 1 whole minute. And now I'm done with performing the fetal heart monitoring, and next is I will do the Leopold's maneuver again. Same process same process of what I've done earlier.
Yeah. Yeah.
And now I will help the patient to cover the exposed area of assessment. And I will help the patient to sit properly. And